and welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I will show you exactly how to fix your Google Maps timeline if it has stopped tracking your locations and routes. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, and select your timeline. If your timeline is empty and not saving your visits, it is almost always caused by restricted background permissions. You might see a prompt on your screen to review your settings. If you do tap Review Settings, you will see a checklist of required permissions. If any of them show a red warning icon, they are currently turned off and preventing the timeline from working. First, fix the timeline or location history status. Tap the link next to it. This will open your Google account settings. Simply toggle the feature to On. Next, and most importantly, check your location access. Tap the link to open your phone settings for the Maps app. You must change the location permission from while using the app to Always Allow. Google Maps cannot track your timeline if it only has access when the app is open on your screen. Finally, ensure your general device location is enabled. Once all these settings show a green status, restart the app. Your Google Maps timeline will now quietly track your routes in the background again. If this quick fix helped you, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech tutorials.